Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Atul Pandya and now we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 342, which is called a power of 4. In this problem, we have given an integer n and we have to return true if the number is power of 4, otherwise return false. For example, here we have given n equals to 16. So 16 is the power of 4, then output becomes true, and n equals to 5. 5 is not the power of 4, then output becomes false. Okay, so run let's move to the code. So first of all, we'll use while loop and condition n greater than 0 and n modulo 4 equals to 0. This means when n is greater than 0 means n is positive, and n and dividing the number, the output becomes 0. Then while loop runs. Inside the while loop, we'll divide n by 4 to find the power of 4. After after that, we will return n equals to 1, because of if the n is 0, then return false, and n is 1, then return true. Let's run this code. Okay, so you can see here all the three cases are accepted, and let's submit. So basically, this is a simple and easy level problem which is power of 4. So thank you.